Hi friends, welcome back my channel Unity Car. The car we're about to talk about today isn't just an SUV, it's a moving lifestyle. What Mazda has done with the 2025 CX-90 will leave you speechless. This is the kind of vehicle that makes people stop on the road, pull out their phones, and snap pictures. Watch this video till the end or you'll miss out on a secret we're revealing exclusively today. And if you want to be the first to uncover the mysteries of more powerful and stunning cars in the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Like the video, drop a comment, and let us know if you're impressed by the CX-90 too. Now, let's dive into the world of this masterpiece, where design and performance cast their spell. The 2025 Mazda CX-90 has exploded onto the SUV scene with its bold and dynamic exterior design. This is Mazda's premium flagship SUV, a true showcase of the brand's Kodo design language. From the front, its wide grille with gloss black finish and chrome accent detailing gives it an aggressive yet elegant look. Mazda's updated logo shines like a jewel right in the center of the grille. Talking about headlights, the CX-90's sleek LED headlamps not only offer excellent visibility but also add a futuristic vibe. These adaptive lights move with the turns of the road, enhancing both safety and style. From the side, you'll see a long and muscular body, featuring a striking combo of 21-inch alloy wheels and chrome window linings. Mazda has given it a longer wheelbase to make its road presence even more commanding. Mazda's craftsmanship is evident in every panel line and curve. The slightly raised fenders give a visual sense of power and stability. Looking at the rear, the sleek LED tail lights, dual chrome exhausts, and integrated spoiler give the CX-90 a sporty yet luxurious appearance. The rear diffuser is fully functional, designed to manage airflow and enhance performance. Mazda has introduced a unique feature this time, its paint finish. Using Takumanuri technology, the Soul Red crystal and machine gray metallic colors change shade based on the lighting. Sometimes it appears deep red, sometimes a hint of bronze, and at times a royal maroon. Now let's talk about the secret that you'll only learn here today. The CX-90's body frame is largely made of aluminum and high-tensile steel. But the hidden secret is that its hood has been deliberately made slightly longer to maintain a perfect 50/50 weight distribution. Something usually seen only in sports cars. That means this is not just a luxury SUV, it's also a performance beast. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what feature you found the most unique. And stay connected with Unity Car, because next, we'll bring you a car that could very well become your dream ride. Goodbye and take care.